The accounting cycle. Explain and apply the principles of the double entry system to record business transactions. Accounting system, a system of collecting, storing and processing financial information and accounting data used by managers. Double entry bookkeeping, a system of recording accounting transactions that recognizes that there are two sides/aspects to every transaction. All transactions have a dual aspect. Every debit entry in an ACC in the ledger must have a corresponding credit entry. Every credit entry in an ACC in the ledger must have a corresponding debit entry. Apply the accounting equation. Assets equals plus. Assets, something which is owned by/owed to a business. Capital, initially the amount of money invested in the business by the owner. After the first trading period, it is adjusted by the profit for the year less any drawings plus any additional capital contributed. It is the net amount which the business owes to the owner. Liabilities, the amount of money owing to people outside the business for the use of their resources.